Hi, it's Nathan, and this is going to be another pick of a high security bike lock. Again, it's another ABUS Granit X Plus 54, and it's locked at the moment. And we'll pick it without the shackle, just to save space on the camera. Let's lock it back up. You can see the locking lugs pretty fixed, they don't retract. There's a close-up on the model, and if anyone's interested, close-up on the key. So to start picking, let's disable the disc locking system. And then I'm just going to use a key blank just to make sure that all the discs can be rotated as far clockwise as they'll go. We'll stick the pick in and front tension, and we'll start from the rear, as again these cores tend to bind from the rear. We'll put every disc into a gate. So I'm just going through them just after clicking on each one. As soon as I get a click, I'm happy with that. I just need to go back to the bottom and discern the true and false gate. So the last disc, so that's disc 7. Nice wide movement, that's in the true gate. Happy with disc 6 as well. Disc 5 felt okay, disc 4 just moved along. Disc 3 I moved along. Disc 2 felt okay, and we're not open yet, so what I've probably done is nudged one of these discs out of the true gate as I've gone between discs, which is very easy to do in these cores because the spacers are so thin. Okay, there we go. That's open. And there's the locking lug that can be retracted because it is indeed open. And just to check, we can put the shackle back on. And we will lock it up. We can open it again with the key. There we go. Thank you very much.